How to change your name on REDnote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your name on the REDnote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your mobile and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll prompt it to your profile page. From there, simply tap on the option labeled Profile. From there, simply tap on your name. Now you can change it to whatever you like. For example, I'm just deleting my last name. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Save. But remember, once you have changed your name, you can't change your name again for the next 7 days. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.